Have you ever wondered how designers make their Canva projects pop with just the right shapes? Today, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in Canva quickly and easily, so your designs look polished and professional in no time. First, open your Canva project and look to the left-hand side toolbar. You'll see the Elements tab. Click on it. Inside, scroll down to the Lines and Shapes section. If you want to explore all options, click. See All, and a variety of shapes will appear, from circles and squares to stars and abstract shapes. You can even use the search bar to find a specific shape if you have something particular in mind. Adding a shape is simple. Just click on it and it instantly appears on your canvas. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corners, move it anywhere you like, or rotate it for a custom look. Want to change its color? Just click on the shape, choose the color palette at the top, and pick a shade that matches your design. You can also adjust the border thickness if you want a more outlined effect. Here's a pro tip. Combine different shapes, adjust transparency, or layer them to create depth in your designs. With just a few clicks, you can turn basic shapes into striking design elements that make your Canva project stand out. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add and customize shapes in Canva to elevate your designs instantly. Now it's your turn to experiment and get creative with shapes, colors, and layouts. Keep practicing, and soon, adding shapes will feel like second nature.